Yes. They say when it get hard, man. When it get hard, gotta keep going. Gotta keep going. You almost at the top. I see you when I get there. See, I done seen it all. 10 years plus. Still doing it. Mind of a hustler. Yeah. Grew up in the city, it was worse than tough. Where they shitted on your dream and watch you give it up. But not me though. Hustler's ambition, sitting at the bus stop, thinking of my next mission. And I was 16, my vision getting clear. See my first nigga killed. Imagine my nightmares. Mama tried to keep me from the streets, but it called back, and daddy told me face it at home. Never back down. Weak niggas die, and hungry niggas live. I started out with nothing, now I'm sitting on the hill, watching while you niggas still starving for a deal. And all I'm trying to do is stack my dollars to a meal, huh? See you niggas all lost, brainwashed, standing on the court, still hitting the same shots. They say I got it now, back for the first time, but I was focused ever since I wrote my first rhyme. Ask my nigga Coles, ask the homie Blake. Plenty haters trying to stop me, but I wouldn't break. Godson, and only he could take me. If I don't make another dollar, thank God it didn't change me. Same OG, you ain't gotta get to know me, cause I ain't switched up, the game got too many phonies. Westside raised, born in the slum. Salute to all my niggas, we done lost through the struggle, yeah. See, I've been standing on my own too. By the grace of God, I swear that I made it through. And I ain't smile yet, cause ain't nothing funny when I'm light still off and plus the rent coming. You don't know about that though. See, I can take you back and see how far I go. My ambition always said it would be rough, but I'm giving this my all until my fucking time is up. I'm on a mission. Yeah. Yeah. Just my ambition. Say. Only weak niggas fall off. Me, I made it. Still doing it. 10 years plus, man. Still going strong.